Imagine yourself in this Ford 2018 Expedition Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel-mounted controls, voice recognition controls, blind spot sensor. Memorized settings includes driver seat. Memorized settings includes liftgate, phone voice activated. Memorized settings includes steering wheel and stability control. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.